My name is Patty Durand, and I'm the founder of Georgians for Affordable Energy. This rate freeze is a catastrophe for Georgia Power customers. It is the equivalent of grocery stores locking in $10 a carton egg prices for 3 years. Georgia Power's return on equity of 11.9% is exploitative and abusive and far above industry norms of 9.7%. That delivers almost $740 million a year in excess profits for Georgia Power. Times 3 is over $2 billion in excess profits. It freezes rates, but does not freeze spending. We're required to pay for what they spend. They spend it for 3 years, unfettered, unexamined, unscrutinized. That's immoral, it's unethical, and it's inappropriate.